akala natin, masakit din yung kanyang tuhod. Yun.
Oh, what a pass! Mites, Tapik, another offensive rebound, wala pa rin. Dictadize gets the tap, wala pa rin. And Struthers fighting for the ball. May foul si Benny Cheng.
San Miguel Beer will retain possession. Alam po natin itong Ginebra San Miguel in the penalty. And yung tira ni Dictadize.
At tinan mo yung hustle ni Lamont Struthers dito.
Yes, coming from out of nowhere and he was pushed out of the way by Benny Cheng. Kita-kita naman ang ebidensya.
At grabe po ang aksyon. Kagaya ng pinangako namin, this will be a war. San Miguel Beer, Ginebra San Miguel, bagamat sister company siya. Walang kapatid-kapatid pagdating sa semifinals. Matagal-tagal na po naghahanap ng pagpasok sa kampyonato ang dalawang koponan. Of course, Ginebra San Miguel's last stint was back in 1991. 15 conferences ago. Ang huli nilang kampyonato, 17 conferences ago. Samantala, unang tira ni Lamont Struthers, pasok. Pangalawa, pasok na naman at dadagdagan ang abante ng San Miguel.